Adama, a very quick one. Ebiko, update on the issue of our sister, one from BC, Misige, blessing one here on that issue. I want to thank NBC Youth Council. I want to thank the use of NBC for coming out now to take up this matter, for coming out to join us to take up this matter. Now, the two suspects are about to be arraigned. The two suspects are about to be arraigned, and we are happy that NBC Youth Council have come into this matter because he have Hawaii. Such a thing cannot happen and didn't be a banquet. Such a thing cannot happen and didn't be a banquet. So I want to thank the NBC Youth Council and other prominent sons of NBC who are onto this matter. And again, the young man Eburu John Bosco on Watcha, the Tiger Base, Shinaha Abatrebe, exchange fire, this and that, from Henry Okoyedere, which is lie, which is fallacious, which is callous, which is murderous. You know, NBC people are also onto this matter. The IG of police has received the petition, and very soon, very soon, there is going to be a legal firework. There is going to be a legal firework. So every police officer, the department involved in that case, and the PPRO Imo State will get ready for the fireworks. I got to choose some police officers on. Some police officers, I got to choose on. Yes, because of that matter. Then about our 40 years, one guy, you know, so it's an update I'm giving anyway. I think we haven't, because I cannot bring that small girl out here and so the update now is that the guy has been arrested, and very soon he will go to court. Very soon he will go to court. Very soon he will go to court. So just a brief update about the cases in there no na our table. Then that woman I could policeman arrest one woman that she na DRS roller, you know, the old woman has been released that day released, you know. So I was there meeting. The one one woman she know let the woman but at the end of the day the police was a police na did the woman no onye church ya, so na osi ya nwo ya re ụlọ ahụ jiri rie so ana ajụrụ the woman ị na-ere ụlọ ejieli ọ digi ọ enyi gị nwoke ọ nwanne gị nwoke ọ sị mba na anya na ya bụ nwanne na onye church ya, so onye church Gelizi onye na awuhu nwanne na awuhu family, you know. So the case is there now. Just yesterday the woman at home say na nwere akwụkwọ eshi court bia paste area na gate ụlọ ya. So ọ ga-abịa n'office side today. We are going to trash that matter. We are going to trash that matter. So that woman will come to court. Ndị niile kwadoghị will also come to court so that we will take up the matter from there. And other cases too, but these are the ones I want to give you update on so that you follow up to the cases we are handling. Any case I will try here, I will try to give you updates so that you got the progress in the case. Because I can achokwa lawyers na Abia, lawyers na Ebonyi, lawyers na Enugu, lawyers na Anambra, ndị ga-enyere anyị aka pro bono, because there are cases that are coming from these states that we don't have legal representatives there. So because can you just inbox me? Can you kenyere ụmụnne anyị aka? Ka Chukwu okike abịa magani gojibola me no ko bachita gajibola anyị niile siriri werere.